Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to change the language on your Firestick 4K Max. So grab your remote and let's go. What we need to do is go across to the right hand side where we have settings, then down to the center row and across to the far right to preferences. Language is in this menu, although you can't see it, so you need to scroll down and it reveals itself. Click language, and here we have a list of languages. So for example, I shall change mine to French, Français, bonjour. It's selected. I'll now press the home button, and as you can see, under home, it's now in French. If I want to change back, I simply go back to settings, go back to preferences, scroll down to lang, and I'll change back to English recommended. That's now changed. Press the home button, and as you can see, it's back to English. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up, as it helps the channel out so much. We're on the road to 100k. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.